Hi guys, I am going to show you how you can add your social media links to your Google Business Profile. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google Business Profile, search for Google Business Profile, and then also you want to make sure you are logged into your Google channel. As you can see to the right here, we are logged in. Okay. Once you have that all set up, you click Google Business Profile and then go to Manage Now on the top right here. And I'm going to click Manage Now. And after that, you will see your profile. You should be able to see your profile showing up right here with the edit profile, read reviews. This should be your display, obviously. And if you want to then add links, we're going to show you how to do that, where they have added this feature. You want to tap Edit Profile, as you can see here, Edit Profile. So just click to that. And once you go to Edit Profile, you go all the way down till you see Social Profiles here. You see it's a new feature. And then you could just start adding. So let's click that right here. And so it shows you your social profile. And first one is Twitter. So we are going to put our Twitter profile in here, Twitter link. And then let's pick another one here, Facebook. And then we will put our Facebook one in here as well. And as you can see, you could add a good amount. Like they are all in here. TikTok, we are going to add our TikTok here. And then we have our Pinterest channel, which we also have. So I'm going to copy that here and just paste it. And so you can see that's how you can pretty much add your links there. And once you are done, you want to hit save. So we've just added those links there. Your edit is pending. It usually takes up to 10 minutes to be reviewed. And once it's reviewed, you then can have the opportunity to see your social profiles on your Google business. So because we saved these first, so it's current, now pending again. And I'm just going to go back to the business information here. And now it's on our profile. So if we were to say BizCrown Media, you could see here to the right and bottom right here, we have our profiles all listed. So that's where your profiles will be showing up once they are approved. So that's how you can do this marvelous task, which should help a lot with growing your awareness on all your social media platforms. If this was helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on these new features when they come out and we do content on them. Till next time, take care.